What do you get when you put a vest on an alligator? An investigator.
Good afternoon, guys, and this is Tech. So today I have something big, massive item right here, which is Xiaomi Mi Speaker. Look at that. This thing is quite big, and I got it for free because I bought another Xiaomi phone. So I can't wait to open this baby up. So let's go. Alright, so here is the speaker, the Mi speaker, and as you can see, it can do Google Assistant right here. And at the back, that is how it looks like. And this is other specs. You can pause it if you want to read it. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so first thing you get is the instruction manual. That is the speaker. Okay, it's heavier than expected. Alright, so what else is inside here? It looks like some sort of a dongle. Okay, this is the power brick with the connection to the speaker. And other than that, there's nothing else to see. Okay, so this is the speaker, and if you want to compare with my palm, it's around there. And for other comparison, this is a Nintendo Switch, cause why not? There we go, all white, and it's a silver grill, nothing else at the bottom. That's all we can see. So this is where the power plug will be, where you connect it. And these are the button. You can see it is the power button, the mute button, the play, and the lower down button. So this is where the two mics. And other than that, and there's only a Xiaomi logo. That's all for the unboxing. It's a very simple one. Let me do a quick setup with this, and I will catch back later on. Alright, so the setup is done. So this is how it looks like, and it works like a normal Google speaker, like a Google Nest, which we give the word, say, "Hey Google, tell me a joke."
Why can't a bicycle stand on its own? It's too tired.
Yeah, so you can just do that as a normal speaker, and the setting up is very simple. All you got to do is just use the Google Home, and you might likely see set up a Mi speaker, and just click on it and just connect to the Wi-Fi, and you are good to go. So once you connect to it, it will automatically connects to Google Assistant. And if you just want to cast music onto the speaker, you can. All you got to do is just press on the speaker, which is for me here it says living room speaker 2. Once you click it, you can adjust the volume accordingly, which is on default it's about 50 to 60% volume, and you can hear it's pretty loud. And to cast your audio, all you got to do is click on it and press cast my audio, and then you press cast audio, and then you say start now, and you will hear the beep sound, and now you can just play your music. It's not too bad, considering it's just a single speaker, and the sound is mainly projecting out from here, as you can hear. And I can just rotate this way, and it's still relatively loud enough. And you can manually adjust the volume here if you like, and it's a touch, capacitive touch, and you can play and pause here also. Yeah, and also if you don't want the mic to work, you can just always press the
mic is muted.
As it says, the mic is muted, and you just press it again, and
the mic's back on.
Now you can use the mic to talk to Google, my baby. Yeah, so that's all for the quick unboxing of the Google Mi speaker. And this is pretty not bad for a speaker that is also can act like your Google Assistant as well. So if you are into all the Google ecosystem, I recommend this is a solid buy. It's quite good and responsive. So that's all I can say. I hope you like that. Do hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time. See ya.